Hey guys, I'm Ashley Kidd. Right now I'm in Central Florida with the MasterCraft team. I had a chance to try out a bunch of the MasterCraft models, and I'm super excited to tell you why I chose the XT23. I was stoked to get out on the water with the rest of the MasterCraft team behind these models. I was so impressed with the performance across the entire lineup. No matter which one I was riding behind, the waves all had a super fun shape, tons of power, easy to customize, and plenty of length to play around with. It was so perfect. Wouldn't change one thing. It was great for like getting air off. It was super poppy.
Yeah?
Yes. But the model I was most drawn to was the XT23. The XTs provide so much customization with options and styling. Everything from how my dash looks to the way the tower is styled, I could make it totally my own. I was really excited to learn about and experience all of the incredible innovations MasterCraft has added to their boats in recent years. Watching the build process here in real time really brings to life why these boats are so impressive overall, but there are several things that stuck out to me about the XT23. As someone who spends a lot of time towards the back of the boat, I love the customization of the transom with the flip-up seats. And then being able to set it up to do more lounging and relaxing in the surf seats or on the sun pad, this feature truly provides the best of both worlds for my lifestyle. I've always been a fan of the styling of a traditional bow and feel like the 23-foot size was perfect for the number of people who are usually in my crew, including my dog. Since I pretty much always have her with me, along with having a lot of foot traffic in and out of my boat, I love the standard transom walkthrough. And as I mentioned, I coach a lot of lessons, so walking back and forth from the cockpit to the swim platform as much as I do, it's nice to always have a walkway. I'm so excited to be a part of the MasterCraft family, and I can't wait to get out on my XT23 and show you guys some really cool content.